students of the college. सत श्री अकाल, नमस्कार. Well, I'll speak in Hindi and English, so I think Hindi will probably. So whenever we like act in a daily life, what we do is we often will try to see something, we'll listen, we'll try to smell. So that is what is called a situational awareness. So that's why my topic is expanding human capabilities, revolutionizing perception with advanced visual and AI technologies. So as you can see, whenever a young person would be able to see even the very little light, whereas a person as he ages, you will find they will struggle to see. They will need more light, right? So what we do is in humans, our visible spectrum is from 400 to 700 nanometers, whereas you would find that cats they can actually see beyond red, that is infrared. Then you can also see in the times of earthquake, you can see the dog's behavior is changing, or even sometimes you see some insect will be behaving differently. So in case of visual perception, so generally what we do is we have several methods where we can enhance the spectral range. One is that enhance or amplify the smaller amounts of light, and that which is called as night vision goggles. You would have seen in the pictures there was a movie on this recent attack. So they were using a greenish color of display. That is a night goggles. So there they enhance the smaller amount of light. Now they are infrared lights also, which with the frequency of which varies from starts from 70 nanometers till 1000 micrometers. Now there is a very famous scientist called Hensley. She said that there are three levels of perception. The first is three levels of situational awareness. The first is the perception. If I am able to perceive the thing correctly, that means if I am able to sleep properly, or I guess if there is a fire, I can have some the smelling sense, or touch, or hearing. I can see the crystal sound. And some fire is there. So so first level of perception is very level of situational awareness is the perception. If your perception is good, then the next level is the comprehension. That means you understand the situation. The third is the prediction. Then only you will be able to predict the next level. Next, please. So for example, in this picture, आप देख सकते हैं कि जो शिकारी है बड़ा खुश हो रहा है कि उसने रेडियर को किल कर लिया, लेकिन उसको पीछे पता नहीं है चीता खराब है. तो ये सिचुएशन हमें इसकी पुअरनेस है. वो सिर्फ वो फोटो खिंचवाने में खुश है, लेकिन पीछे चीता पता नहीं. ये सिचुएशन हमें इसकी इंपॉर्टेंस है. फिर आप एक लेफ्ट में देखिए, जो लेफ्ट ऑफ द पिक्चर है उसमें आपको यू कैन सी अ पर्सन. जब उसके साइड में देखो एक बंदा हरी साड़ी को कैमोफ्लेज कर रहा है, मतलब नॉर्मल लाइन से कैमरा देख नहीं सकता. लेकिन लेफ्ट में देखा क्योंकि वो इंफ्रारेड कैमरा है, राइट में जितना वो विजुअल कैमरा और राइट में दोनों को मिक्स कर दिया. सो व्हाट वी डू इज हियर we use image processing and artificial intelligence through machine learning. We do as much you can make it as much perfect. The more the data, the better it is. So you can actually even see the third image is you can see both. You can see the bushes. So this way we can enhance the situational awareness by using the senses. Similarly, you can see the right three pictures. You can see there is a fire. You cannot see anything with the normal camera visible lights. On the right side, you can see the person. On the below side, you can see both. So I will not go to electromagnetic spectrum. You all are aware of. Next. Next. So since I have worked extensively on on defense technology, especially for the fighter aircraft. So I will just discuss so that I can probably provide some inspiration to you. Whenever a pilot is flying aircraft, his or her task is very complex because the pilot has to fly the aircraft. The pilot has to understand various instruments and panels which are in the aircraft, and then take split-second decisions. His life is very complex. If you happen to see any older aircraft, you would find there are number of gauges, meters, and panels. So the pilot will take certain measures. Whenever there is a dogfighting, once a dogfighting, the aircraft will fly very low, and they will drop bombs or fire missiles. In those conditions, the margin of error is very less. It is very less. The time is fraction of seconds. Next, please. So what people did, this we have developed in CSR, Chandigarh. So what we did, that we have combined all the sensors into just this. Go to previous slide, please. Previous. You can see there are number of meters and panels. The pilot will be scanning all those things. This is a magical glass. In this, you can look through it, and still you can get the information. It is a very complex technology. This technology cost around 5.5 crores in a Rafale aircraft. Whereas for Tejas aircraft, we Bharat headquarters Panchkula compared to Bharat attack हुआ था, वो कैसे हुआ? आपके 6 जगह से एयरक्राफ्ट चले, जब एयरक्राफ्ट चले होंगे तो वो चले होंगे बॉम्ब भरे, बॉम्ब पूरे लोडेड थे, ऊपर जाके उसमें तेल भरा के, यानी कि फ्यूल भरा के, उस पर 8 जो रिफ्यूलिंग में दिखाऊंगा, तो 8 ऊपर